Large format metal pipe cutting specialized laser cutting machine. High power sheet integrated equipment. Directly supplied and customized by the manufacturer. We specialize in undertaking customized orders for large format metal pipe sheet cutting specialized laser cutting machine. Optimizing high power laser cutting systems and improving processing efficiency through integrated sheet design to adapt to different specifications of metal materials. The equipment runs stably, has low noise, fast cutting speed, and is energy saving and environmentally friendly, meeting industrial production standards. The manufacturer provides direct supply including installation and debugging, and technical support follows up throughout the process to ensure the rapid production and use of the equipment. Email 51223981638.com phone +86613213316051 WhatsApp +86613213316051 URL http://3w.dsaprt2r.com Laser cutting machine. Plate laser cutting machine. Laser pipe cutting machine. High power laser cutting machine. Fiber laser cutting machine.